Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Apple Music for HomePod automation, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your iPhone or iPad is updated to the latest version of iOS. Open the App Store on your device. In the search bar, type Apple Music. Select the Apple Music app from the search results. If you don't have the app, tap Get to download it. Next, launch the Apple Music app. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID. Once signed in, tap the Try It Free option if you are a new user. You will see various subscription options. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Review the terms and conditions before tapping Confirm. Once your subscription is confirmed, you will have access to Apple Music. Next, open the Home app on your device. Tap the Add Accessory button or the plus sign. Choose your HomePod from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup for your HomePod. Once your HomePod is set up, tap on it to access its settings. Scroll down and select Music. Make sure Apple Music is set as the default music service. For automation, return to the Home app settings. Select Automation at the bottom of the screen. Tap Create Personal Automation. Choose your desired trigger, such as a specific time or when you arrive home. Select Add Action, then scroll to find Set Playback or Play Music. Tap on the Apple Music option to select your preferred playlists or songs. Once your actions are set, tap Next. Review your automation settings, ensuring everything is correct. Finally, tap Done to save your automation. Now, your HomePod will play music from Apple Music based on the automation settings you configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.